Today, I made $6,305 day trading gold. Gold was the only asset I was able to trade today during the Asia session and New York session of January 21st. And so I want to break down what was one of the best trade setups we had today, just so you guys can be refreshed on the 1 minute kill shot. And this strategy is killing it. I'm so grateful for this trading strategy. It is blessing our trades, and our accounts are growing very nicely towards our goal of $2,500 in each account by the end of January. So let's break down this gold trade and let me show you exactly how I analyzed the market and what I was looking for in order to make over $6,000 today day trading. So one of the trades we took today was right here on this 5 minute time frame low where gold hit into Asia low. The market is still actually going. I'm done for the day. I'm not trading anymore. I'm happy with the profit I made out of these two sessions, and so I'm going to just call it for the day. I'm bummed that we couldn't capture more. My original target was about 50% of this impulse range, but we ended up getting stopped out at break even because we move our stop losses to break even once we hit our first target. And it is what it is. We still are very grateful. And the important thing is we do not revenge trade. We do not try to get greedy and say, oh man, it's still gonna go up. It's still probably gonna hit my target. I should just keep on. No, we don't do that. We are grateful. We take what we can and we get off the charts. We do not try to, we already won. We don't need to try to beat the charts even more. So let's break down this analysis of why I took this long down here at Asia low and what I was looking for. So we're a good ways into the market. By the time I see this impulse range started at 14 hours and 15 minutes on the charts. So we're a good ways into the market by the time this impulse range happens. So immediately when I see this big push down, I want to mark out this impulse range. Again, you guys know I love my impulse range, that this up here, everything up here is premium. And just a reminder, we do not go long in a premium. In the premium area of a chart, we want to go short. We want to sell. So price in this impulse range, as I see down here at Asia low, is in a discount, which a discount is where we want to go long, not going short. So I was already, as soon as I saw Asia low, I was looking to see, is there going to be any kind of long opportunity for us to target a long to see if we can reach discount of the or premium of this impulse range on the 15-minute time frame? As you can see, price is still moving and it just hit into discount of this range or a premium of this range, and that's exactly what I was targeting, and all my targets would have been hit if we didn't get stopped out at break even. So I know what this tells me is I can be confident in my analysis that I was correct and I can trust my analysis for the future. So now let's drop down to the 5-minute time frame. What do I like? I tell you guys all the time, what do I like to see on the 5-minute time frame? I want to see those large rejection wicks at key levels, and Asia low is a key level. Now look at this red candle right here. If you notice below it, there is a large rejection wick. Let's zoom in so we can get a nice picture of that rejection wick, right? We have these lows here to our left, and we have this wick that comes down to Asia low and immediately leaves a nice wick off of it to then immediately get engulfed by this candle to the upside, creating a bullish order block right here. So I'm getting confirmation that, hey, price is looking bullish. We're getting confirmations that we can start targeting higher prices. Now, another thing to take note of is at this Asia low that we're just zoomed in on, when we look left on the chart, right, from this move up, there are these equal lows right here, okay, which this is right where I think I took longs yesterday to capture some of my profits also. But we have these equal lows, and look what price did at those equal lows. It immediately bounced off of them and started pushing upwards. So that's a more confirmation that we can trust this wick, that it's sweeping a liquidity, bouncing off that Asia low to then attack premium of this range. So once we get that confirmation of the sweep of liquidity and that our analysis is kind of working out, and we are in discount of our range, because just like a business, you want to buy your product in a discount. You don't want to buy it in a premium. So we drop down to the 1-minute time frame. Before we get into the 1-minute breakdown, I want to share with you guys that Apex is still running their 80% off sale. You can get up to $6 million in funding and have up to 20 prop firm accounts. I use Apex every single day. I have $450,000 in funding with them. I have 9 Apex accounts that I keep you guys up to date on all my short form content and in these long form pieces of content too. where our goal is to see how many payouts we can lock in 2026. And we're going to show you guys the entire journey. But go ahead, use code Maniac and lock in that 80% off sale on the Apex evaluations and get funded today. Now, another thing we provide is we provide TradeSync and TradeCopia discounts. TradeSync, we provide a 10% off discount, and TradeCopia, we provide a 35% off discount. So if you're someone like me who has 10 prop firm accounts and you need them to copy trade each other, you need to have a reliable trade copier. And so TradeSync and TradeCopia are two trade copiers I've personally used. I use them every single day and they are excellent. So use code Maniac to get 10% off TradeSync and 35% off TradeCopia. Let's get back in this trade and let's see what we did on the 1 minute time frame. And you guys know what I like to look for on the 1 minute time frame. We look for that very first inverse fair value gap. And as you can see right here, price swept liquidity, came up, and on this 1455 candle, we invert this fair value gap to go long. Immediately, I go long, stops at this low, and we take low hanging fruit. I just wanted some of this 1 minute external range liquidity. I think I went a little bit higher. I think I targeted about 10 points. Yep, 10 points right there. Right in this kind of order or breaker block that was formed right here. I wanted to look for targets right around there. That's 10 points. That would make lock in about $2,000 in profit if I hit it. And as you can see, it hit. We moved stops to break even. And something to take note of, because my accounts have taken quite a bit of profit, and now my top sub account is at over $1,000 in profit and $1,000 in the balance. I've been able to scale my account up from 3 contracts to now trading with 4 contracts. So at this first TP, I took off 2 of my contracts and left 2 contracts floating. So we ended up getting stopped out at break even. It's kind of a bummer because, as you can see, price went to all my other targets. But it is what it is. We will always have another day, and we cannot get upset at making over $6,000 in the market. It's an excellent, excellent trading day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am really stoked that today we got to end the day over $6,000 in profit, $6,305 in profit. The 1 minute kill shot is perfect. I am so grateful that I was able to build out this trading strategy, and it is working very well in 2026 so far. So I'm really stoked to see how it goes across the entire year. We're going to be doing this content every single day just so you can learn from me. Subscribe to my channel so you never miss one of these trade recaps. And we have a complete guide to conquering prop firms coming out very soon. Leave a comment down below if there's anything you would like me to add in this video, but we want to make sure you guys can do the same exact thing I'm doing every single day with these accounts. Go ahead and watch this video right here. This video breaks down my exact 1 minute kill shot so you guys can utilize it in your own trading strategy. Go back test it, go practice, and then go conquer the charts with it.